And welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can add the payments method on Clickworker account. So guys, after logging your account, what you have to do, log in your account on your device, and after that guys, go to your this icon, the picture icon, and from here click charge account. After that guys, what you have to do, add this payment method option. As you can see here, you have credit card and you have transfer your bank account and your PayPal. You can charge account easily with PayPal. If you want to add the credit card, click your credit card here and click your amount you want to charge and click next. After that, wait to loading this page, and this minimum amount guys for $5 or €5, and click next and wait and write your Stripe account here guys, and write your Stripe account with your credit card here, as you can see here guys. So guys, I hope this video for you, then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.